Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable idea pin downloads on Pinterest. Maybe you want to protect your original content and maintain control over the usage of your pin. So today I'm going to show you how to disable idea pin downloads on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on the social permissions option. Here, scroll up, and under download section, you can now see this idea pin downloads option. Since you wanted to disable this option, simply toggle off this button beside the option. After that, you now have successfully disabled Idea Pin downloads. Pinterest will now prevent others from downloading your Idea Pins. Also, this will help protect your content and maintain control over its usage. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable Idea Pin downloads on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable idea pin downloads on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.